Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refuel your Audi A4 or S4 Avant. We are sitting in a car and there comes information in the display that we just have a range of 10 kilometers until the tank is empty. So we join a petrol station, open the flap on the right side and remove the cover of it. And we can see there is an information that this car is unlead full only, E5, E10. So we are going to use now the Ultimate 102. This is E5 petrol, and we are getting the full pistol into position and lock the lever. We pull the trigger and lock it until the petrol is flowing into our tank. After a couple of while, and this can be a little bit of time, it stops automatically, as you can see. Then we remove the refuel nozzle, but take care, there comes a little bit drop by drop out of it. Maybe you will get this into your tank too. And then we get back the refuel pistol again. And of course, we have to reattach the cap. The cap has two areas where we have to get it in position and rotate it 90 degrees until it locks immediately. Then we close the cover of the tank refuel area and we sit down at the driver's seat. If we sit down and switch on the ignition, we can see the tank is now refueled, completed. And then, of course, we can reset the trip. The trip reset button is on the right side underneath your steering wheel. Then we have reset this and we can go back to the street. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel soon.